Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Instagram co-watching feature on iPhone or any Android. If you're using any iPhone or any Android and you want to use Instagram co-watching feature, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app. Very first, you have to try to like and save the video or the reel which you want to go watch or watch together. So let's say I'm going to select this one. Once you have liked and saved the video, it will be available in Go Watch or Watch Together feature. So just save. Now go back and here go to this chat section and here just select the chat with which you want to go watch or watch together. Just start a video chat here. So I'm going to start a video chat. So you just have to wait for the other person until they accept or they join your video chat. And once they join your video chat, you just have to tap on this gallery or play option. Now you will see all of your liked and saved posts here. It's liked and here the saved. You just have to select any post which you want. Let's say I'm going to select this one. And here you have done this tap on this option. You can add people to your photo or your post. So in this way you can easily use Instagram co-watching feature or watch video together. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.